Anne is the head of engineering of a fast-growing SaaS billing software provider. Recurring revenue businesses, due to their wide customer base, often face challenges like personalized configuration of products, managing subscription, minimizing operational cost, and system customizations. Anne really wanted to keep her customers happy, but she was worried about, how do I achieve efficient quality release that ensures integrity with my customers' ERP and financial systems? With so many combinations and permutations of user base, how can test data be set up? How do I ensure API calls are having the correct data? How do I handle product enhancements? With many years of testing expertise, Aspire has developed a one-stop solution for all testing needs. The magic box is called TSiB, Testing Solutions in a Box. What is TSiB and how does it work? Testing Solutions in a Box is a comprehensive suite of testing solutions which helps organizations in setting up a world-class testing center of excellence. TSiB is implementing using ADAM, assess, transform, operationalize, manage, with different tools to drive combinational testing. Findings from assessing the current scenario. Because of the huge volume of test data, long regression cycles caused incomplete regression testing. Because of complex combinations and permutations of test data, the test coverage was only 1%. There was around 40% defect leakage, which affected the product performance. In the transform stage, all manual testing processes were automated. Web service automation was implemented. The right test cases were selected for addition of new features and enhancements. The automation regression suite was set to action to achieve on-time monthly releases and complete test coverage. In the operational stage, achieves better quality with better test coverage and reduced the production defect leakage by 80%. Reduced manual effort by 70%. Ramped escaped defects to just 8 from 40. Automates 8,000 API cases and 2,000 UI cases. Tested 85 sprints and rectified 2,700 plus defects in the last 3 years. Achieved continuous integration with Jenkins. The manage stage set plans for continuous delivery. Jira, a bug management tool, was identified. With continuous integration, all automation scripts were run once in a week and twice every sprint. The regression suite had 10,000 plus test cases, which both API and UI. 200% test coverage after complete automation of test cases. After the implementation of TSiB, manual effort and production defects were reduced by 80%. Test coverage was increased from 100 to 10,000 plus test cases. Escaped defected were ramped down to just 8 from 40 per release. Better cost of quality was provided. After completing 30% of automation, 500 plus numbers of defects were found within the period of 6 months. Total execution time for 10,000 test cases was reduced from 1,280 to just 40 hours. Anne is now relieved of all her problems, and she's able to meet all of her customers' expectations.